Let's get to our final trade of the day now with Joel Hawthorne.
My trade of the day is Adobe. I'm looking at the options market to provide an opportunity here in Adobe. I think there's weakness in the chart. I think the underlying narrative in the overall market appears to be very weak right now. So I think Adobe will kind of follow suit if some of these key support levels are broken. Looking right now with the stock trading right around 475-ish or so, if that stock can pull back and maybe break a near support level of about 460, I would like to play the put side of the market. I'll be buying puts out until about March 18th to see if we can get below that 420 and change, maybe even 400 mark in Adobe to the downside.
Joel, how are you bracing for the turmoil between Russia and the Ukraine?
I think one thing about that, I think there's the overall narrative there. Obviously, we know that the headlines are a bit scary, and our thoughts and prayers go out to anybody over there that can be affected. But I think the overall narrative is looking at the commodity prices. I mean, oil's running definitely above 90 currently right now. We have gold prices that are skyrocketing as well. So it looks at bond yields are obviously looking still very positive. It looks right now that the market is really positioning itself to be more of a risk off in equities. I think that's why we see a lot of names suffering. We're having a lot of mixed reviews in the earnings in earnings season. This is a very cautionary time to be an equities trader. And I think simply just overall, some of the buying of those equity names, looking for those huge runs we've seen in the past. I don't know if right now is the time for that, in my opinion. So definitely, this is definitely a cautionary time to be a trader right now in the equities market.
Thank you so much, Joel.
Thank you. Thanks for having me, Angie.
Go to businessfirstam.com for where to see our show on TV.